These are the big boys. So let's take a look at what we can get from the big boys' storylines. Take a look. Now, obviously, there's a lot of stuff that happens between these ones because you can see that the timing is very, very, very wide between some of these trades. That's pretty obvious. But these are the big boys. But just take a look at how it plays. Take a look. Take a look at this trade here, for example. Okay. The trades I want you to focus on are the whites and the grey trades. Look at the price that sell came in. And then look a little bit later, look at the next big block trade after that sell came in. Look at the difference in the price. You see it? It's over 10 points. It's 14 points different. 14 points different. So a big block comes in there, and the next time we see another big block trade, it's 14 points lower. Take a look at this buy trade here at 12.39. You see the price? And if you look afterwards about where we are just now, can you see that the current price is already the next big blocks is 4 or 5 points higher than it was before. So one of the things we start recognizing almost straight away is, well, there's obviously something in this. No shit, Sherlock. So when we see these as tradable ideas, you know, if you see one of these types of block trades coming through, well, of course it must seem to be of value to us. Well, what did I see last night? The big meaty sells on the S&P last night, correct? And that resulted in a $2,000 sell-off. Oh yeah, $2,000. You can't hide it because we tweeted it. We tweeted it and we time-stamped it, the tweet. Time-stamped it? We time-stamped the tweet. There it is there. 11:38 last night. Some pretty meaty sell orders at 42.57. Big block sales. So based on what we've just been discussing in the most recent passage of play, with those big block sales at 42.57, you can see that the ability to then sell into those big blocks, and then the outcome, I'm not saying that was the reason why, but obviously it's part of the reason why. It's something that we want to pay attention to. And the outcome was $2,000 per contract. $2,000. Just by recognizing those blocks at 11:38, and you could have traded those blocks all the way up to 8 o'clock this morning. You literally could have sold into those block sellers all the way up to 8 o'clock this morning and still caught the big toxic London session break for $2,000. Unbelievable trade outcome. By recognizing the basics, executing against that storyline. And obviously you can see that the big splash on that one was absolutely fantastic. I wonder if we can fit that one in below.